started getting a lot of tunnel vision, and I went completely out. My wife said I was convulsing, throwing up, some kind of mucus stuff. I don't even know. She said scared the piss out of her, which I'm sure. Welcome back. It's been 25 days since I had the surgery to repair my shattered L1. And today I finally get to go see the surgeon for the first time since having that surgery. So I'm gonna get an x-ray on my back, so I'll finally get to see what it looks like repaired. Fingers crossed that the healing's going good, and maybe I'm a little bit ahead of schedule, I don't know. And excuse how I look, I'm pretty nappy. But I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I'm just hoping for good news. I got to take the process of going out and getting in the car, which takes a minute, because still got to wear the brace. He'll tell me all that today, how much longer I got to wear this brace, and hopefully how much longer it's going to be before I get to start resuming some activities and hopefully get one step closer to getting back on the bike. So let's get in the car. Let's get up there and see what he has to say. In the car now, heading to Greenville. Just want to tell y'all something, a couple of updates before we go to this doctor's appointment. I finally got the catheter out. The first Monday after that last video was put out, I can't remember when that was. I got the catheter out that day, so actually using the bathroom on my own now, which feels great. I'm slowly getting better, but mentally this has been kicking my ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been down in the dumps for like the last 4 days, and I don't know what to do. Just I don't know, everything is piling up. It just feels weird. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really putting a toll on me, and probably not good for my wife either. But yeah, I don't know what much to say about it, what exactly it is, but I guess with everything being broken on my body and not being able to get up out of the bed real easy and really eat what I want to, because I go 2 or 3 days out using the bathroom. That might be too much information for you, but it's just how it is. And I don't know, hopefully just get good news today, and they tell me this staple is going to come out and I'm healing normal, and I won't have to worry so much about that. And so now it's getting some of these bills. We got a bill from the Life Flight, which I guess is what it's called. This from a 20-minute helicopter flight from Georgia Hospital to Greenville. It took 20 minutes. They charged me $83,000, almost $84,000. That's a highway robbery and taking advantage of the situation when you're in a emergency state. The healthcare system in the United States is definitely broken, and if you've got a job and insurance, I hope you don't get sick because you can't afford it. But let's get up here and see what this doctor says and see if he gives me some good news. All right, we made it. I can't film inside there, so fingers crossed for me, y'all. Make sure I'm healing all right. It's driving me absolutely insane. Well, I'm filming this a few days after the doctor's appointment because I had a little incident at the doctor's office. I actually ended up passing out. I'll give you a little backstory on that. Got to the appointment, supposed to be at 3:30. Got there about 15 minutes before that. Sat around for about an hour, got an x-ray, sat around some more. Finally got in the exam room, sat around some more. So all in all, I sat around for about 2 hours on hard chairs with hardly no back support. I just can't sit up that long right now because it ain't even been a month yet. So my back was sore, my butt was sore because it's been staying sore from all the numbness and stuff like that. Had the 3 or 4 days before that, had a lot of anxiety and depression issues. A lot of stuff I was thinking about. A lot of stuff's been stripped from me, not making me feel so much like a man. I'm not gonna get into all that. So I was just a little overwhelmed. They started pulling the staples out of my back, which was fine. It didn't hurt that bad. But once I got down to the last 5, started hurting a little bit, but she thought the cut was, or the incision was gonna open up a little bit, which I was kind of worried about that. It really wasn't. But with all that, the healing, the depression, already a lot of pain, I just passed out. I started getting a real bad tunnel vision. I've passed out in the past before, but it's been a long time. Started getting a lot of tunnel vision, and I went completely out. My wife said I was convulsing, throwing up, some kind of mucus stuff. I don't even know. She said scared the piss out of her, which I'm sure it did. I woke back up, drunk some water, I was fine, and went on about my business. But they said everything was going good. I'll put a picture right here of the x-ray of my repaired back, and as you can see, it's got like a little adjustable bolt in there. It looks like an adjustable bolt to me. They jacked up that vertebrae. They took that L1 completely out, jacked that vertebrae up, put those 2 plates on each side. Looks like I got big wood screws in my back, but eventually all that will fuse together and just be one big bone. So I will lose a little bit of mobility, bending over, twisting, stuff like that, because I'll have one big bone instead of 3, I guess, for lack of better words. But it should heal fine. I should get back to full strength. That's what they said anyway. And they're saying 6 to 9 months. It's already been almost a month, so got 5 to 7 left, I guess. Or it could take up to a full year to be fully recovered. I don't know yet. Just depends on how fast that fuses and how fast I can get up to full strength. But I got some nerve issues in my hips, butt, and my left leg still numb. Said it could take a couple weeks, a few months, or a few years for all that stuff to come back, so I have no idea. But I will be back riding, I can tell you that, because they said there shouldn't be no problem with that. So I will be back, just don't know when. But everything's going good. I'm healing good so far. It's about all the updates I got right now. And as you can see, don't have any walker right now. I did already film a video of a walk around on my bike, which will be coming out soon after this video. But stick around with me. Keep supporting the channel. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. And appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all in the next one.